of a spiritual level.
There is no new journey. Spiritual, economical, social, educational, in all the levels of Saraswatya, Lakshmitva and Durgatva, the Kalitva, in all levels, the soul starts where it stopped in the time of death. So there is not even a stopping and starting. It is just letting the new body to mature. Till the new body grows and matures, the soul rests. The moment the new body grows and matures, it starts expressing its journeys, qualities, the way he lived or lived, the